Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria bono botukobwera tuguchakana rokobwatia murai bwense ya Kenya William Ruto nigo bono enekirie wakwanire ogukina kwirigori ria mabuta amatuka bwangoiga hasa atebire ayo nigagenderete kwenekiwa hase chinse au kubwatekana n'echisegi echikwenekiwa hase chinse echo chikorenta amabuta imeyense okwana kurwa hase county ya Mombasa hase nyumba y'oburai bwense enkase nsemeyo murai bwense oenekire gochia ko yeria rigori ria mabuta ye diesel hase chisiringi 10 aye maega yogotwara hegikaro nabo igokwanekio koigwana igati ababwatani kurwa hase sector y'obosombi chinga kecho nigo boiga mochire abana siasa bari bagotumia engane iyo na gukora siasa ase bono aenekire abarai nigo abose abarai bamatatu aenekeire abarai bamatatu gochia kwenekia unana chigoikirania amagani abo egati abo kobarentera chigari echo chiri gotumeka estima muri kitoli net nyambane gotumanya senchiro goikirana.
We've called off the strike. We had suspended the strike, but we've called it off. So we will not have strike next week. We are going to work.
Omugiro bwemeremo ase sector y'obosombi oyokageire koiranerwa eikiende ritkoria Jumaine otuguteirware ayo magega y'abarai korwa ase sector y'obosombi gokora chinkwana no murai bwense ase enyomba y'oburai e county ya Mombasa.
Mine today is very little, is to announce to all our members, especially our investors and drivers and conductors, that after these good deliberations we have had with His Excellency, we are saying that the strike that we had suspended has been called off fully, and we are hoping that this will take immediate effect. Everybody to return the vehicles on the road, and for the entire country to understand that I think there is an economy here to save, and we are all looking forward to His Excellency to ensure that he drives the agenda of public transport. We have been promised a lot of things, including the electric motor vehicle.
Okwana kurwa e county eyo omurai bwense Ruto nigatebire buna baikeranire okoigwana kogochia kweyeriri ria maguta gochakera chitariki 14 chomutenyo gatano nomo ne chiringi 10.
I have directed that in the pricing cycle, next pricing cycle, we are going to further reduce the price of diesel by a further 10 shillings for the June-July cycle to help stabilize pump prices and provide additional relief to consumers. Thirdly, through the government-to-government fuel supply framework, we have secured guaranteed fuel supplies despite global supply chain disruptions, ensuring uninterrupted fuel supply availability across the country.
Abarai abo nigo bono batebire okorobekana kwa mugiro bwemeremo nigo gwaswananetwe n'abasaria naboigo abana siasa egento kirirete enibo enene gusarigwa naboigo obogima gusira.
I would like to first start by apologizing to the country for the time that we went on strike. Hours we said the vehicles stay at home, but we realized goons infiltrated and some maybe political interests came in, and people lost their vehicles, people lost schools were vandalized and other institutions. That was not us, and that's why we saw it best to go for negotiations. And as a result of the negotiations, His Excellency has been kind enough.
I know there are those who are trying to turn this global crisis into politics. People seeking to exploit public pain for political gain, making reckless claims and pretending there are easy options. But leadership requires honesty, not political opportunism or playing populist politics. The reality is that no country can completely escape the global oil shock of this magnitude.
abaraya bubono nigo baorokirio mogokobo ase okuigwana oku bakorire na koria ira yogocha kubwaterana ne serikali.
As the transport sector, we are happy with what you've come up with, and we are going to support the government. The government belongs to us. We want to thank the governor of Nairobi, because we know that the county of Nairobi lost a lot of money, and we agreed with him that we have to work together to make sure that everything is going to work. So we want to thank the government, we want to thank the president. We know he has sorted out a lot of our issues, which has been pending for long.
Goripoteria en Soko TV, Erietariane Linet Nyambane.